These are the Dominator V3 RTF Fat Shark FPV goggles. I'm going to show you everything you need to get up and running with them. Open her up and take a look-see. Comes in a nice case. So these are meant, they're kind of the industry standard, for fairly reasonable but good quality FPV goggles for droning. And that's what it looks like out of the box. All right, got a fiber wipe, got the goggles there, the battery, which will open up. Okay, that will power this sucker. This port here is for charging. Plug that into the system to power it, right? This is for, I assume, for viewing later. Here's the antenna. It has a little bend. Put these on to cover up that area. It goes on nice and easy. Let's put the antenna on. There you go. All right, and let's put the power in. See what these guys are up to. Looks like it goes right in here. The band. That seems to be nice and snug for the battery. There we go. And you can just plug that in right here. Plugs in right there. All right, it's on by default. We got that screen. Let me get my drone. We'll try and sync it up. This is the FP style Unicorn. I'm just going to give it some power. Oh. Let's see if we can find it on here. So we got it powered up. You don't need to use this. Could go in here, but this is enough for at least anything I want to do. I haven't found I need it. This is if you're recording and if you have some volume. I'm not going to be using that, but you can record. You can put in a SD card in right here, right in there, right? And it's like a DVR. You hit record and it starts up. The important thing though is to you can hold this little button right there to kind of go through all the different bands. There's the Fat Shark band, the R band. I've found that, at least for this drone, right here, that it's on A, and actually you can see the signal strength there. And if I kind of toggle, there's A6, A7, A8. See, that's it. It goes all the way to fills that little bar there. So that's how you know you're on the one. That's the right one, and you can kind of when you look through these, you can't really tell here. You can actually see that it is connected to the camera. So I decided to use the SD card after all. This is some footage that I got. The footage looked better in the goggles than it does on the SD cards, but I'm going to have to play around with those settings to see if I can get a little better quality. But I'll leave this with you. enjoyed. Please let me know if you have any other questions. I'll be putting some more drone videos up in addition to coding and programming stuff that I always do. Thanks.